a troubled boy, just because you like to destroy all the things that bring the idiots joy. Well, what's wrong with a little destruction? And the coolest won't talk to you, cause you're kissing a roller with Jew, cause you rob a supermarket or two. Well, who gives a damn about the profits of Tesco? Did I see you in a limousine? Fling out the fish and the other bean, turn the rich into white as you walk on the mean. Well, the fallen love, the virtuous among us, walk among us, never judge us. Yeah, we're all up now and get 'em, boy. Up now and get 'em, boy. Drink to the devil and death to the doctors. Did I see you in a limousine? Flinging out the fish and the other bean. Well, 5,000 users spent today. Oh, as you feed us, won't you lead us to be blessed? So we stole and drank champagne on the 7th seal. He said you never feel pain, and I never feel pain. Won't you hit me again? I need a bit of black and blue to be a rotation. In my blood I felt bubbles burst.
I'm a troublemaker, never been a faker, doing things my own way and never giving up. I'm a troublemaker, not a double taker. I don't have the patience to keep it on the up. I picked up a guitar, what does this signify? I'm gonna play some heavy metal riffs and you will die. You wanted arts and crafts, how's this for arts and crafts? That's right, I'm growing out my hair, I'm moving out to Cherokee. I'm gonna be a rock star and you are gonna bear with me, cause I can't work a job like any other slob. Punching in and punching out, it's sucking up to Bob. Marrying a biatch, having 7 kids, giving up and growing old and hoping there's a God. I'm a troublemaker, never been a faker, doing things my own way and never. I'm a troublemaker, never been a faker, doing things my own way and never giving up. I'm a troublemaker, not a double taker. I don't have the patience to keep it on the up. Keep it on the up. I'm a troublemaker. Keep it on the up. I'm a troublemaker.
Must it take a life for hateful lies? Take a lesson once again. 500 years like killing night have blown us all to hell. What Savior rests while on his cross we die? Forgotten freedom burns. As the shepherd led his lambs astray to the bigot and the gun. Must it take a life for hateful lies to glisten once again? Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, singing drunken the lullabies. I watch and stare as Roshin's eyes turn a darker shade of red, and the bullet with their sniper lie in the bloody gutless cell. Must we starve on crumbs from long ago? True bars these men made steel. Is it a great or little a thing we fought? Now the conscience blessed and kill. Must it take a life for hateful lies to glisten once again? Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, singing drunken the lullabies. Oh, maybe it's the way we're taught. Oh, but maybe it's the way we fought. For a smile and our grins without tears to begin. For each kiss is a cry we all lost. Though nothing is left to gain, but for the punching and stole the grave. Cause we find ourselves in the same old mess, singing drunken the lullabies. Right.
I heard that you were talking shit and you didn't think that I would hear it. People hear you talking like that, getting everybody fired up. So I'm ready to attack, gonna lead the pack, gonna get a touchdown, gonna take you out. That's right, put your pom-poms down, getting everybody fired up. Few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. Cause there ain't no holler back, girl, ain't no holler back, girl. A few times I've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. Cause ain't no holler back, girl, ain't no holler back, girl. That's right, dude, meet me at the bleachers. No principals, no student teachers. Both of us wanna be the winner, but there can only be one. So I'm gonna fight, gonna give it my all, gonna make you fall, gonna suck it to you. That's right, I'm the last one standing, another one bites the dust. Few times I've been around